Hello Bellas, it's me Shannon B for Brown Girl Bella, once again bringing you lips, lashes, and luxury. And today I'm also bringing you my glasses. So when I was on vacation, I scratched my left cornea. So for the next couple of weeks, I do have to wear my glasses. So I figured that there are other Bellas out there who also wear glasses and also would like to make sure that their makeup sort of stands out even while you're wearing glasses. So I'm going to show you how to really make your eyeshadow pop behind glasses. So sit back, relax, and let's begin. Alright, before we jump in, I just want to make sure that all my new Bellas get a little shout out. So welcome to Brown Girl Bella with Shannon B. And those returning, welcome back. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. And don't forget to like, share, and comment in the comment section down below. Love to hear from my Bellas at all times, so make sure you give me a shout out and I'll be sure to give you a shout out back. So this tutorial, I'm going to take off my glasses for a minute and just share with you how I make sure that my eyeshadow pops behind my eyeshadow. So I'm just going to sort of add more layers and more depth to what I have now to show you how I do it. So first and foremost, you know, your makeup is already done. We're going to just go into the eyeshadow straight away. And I do have on lashes. These are Kiss lashes, and they're kind of like a regular everyday lash, so you can find them at most drugstores. I get mine from CVS. They're about $5 for a pack. And I'm going to go into my crease color, and I'm just going to deepen that crease color a little bit more. This is a ColourPop, and the name of it is called Cute Alert. So that's the name of the eyeshadow that I'm using. And like I said, I'm just going over what I've already done this morning just to deepen that color a little bit. And this is perfect if you're transitioning from day to night and you're going out maybe with your boo, or if you're going out with the girls after work for drinks. It's a perfect way to still wear your glasses so you can see, but to pop in a little bit more color to stand out just a little bit more. Okay, so I just darkened in that transition color just a little bit more, just to deepen what I've already done. And then for my lid color, I use, I believe it's another ColourPop, but the name of it has gone away. So what I'm going to use instead, because I still have some on my eyes, I'm going to go in with my, let's bring it out here. I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Galaxy. This is the Galaxy collection. They have a lot of really fun colors here. And I'm going to just give this eyeshadow just a little bit more help. So I'm going to go in with the, I believe it's called Mars on Fire. And I'm just going to take that and tap it right on top. See, it blends in really nicely with what I have already. And this is just, like I said, to take that extra step to really pop that makeup, so that once you're putting on your glasses, They really do. The makeup really does stand out a little bit more. And just to let you know, I'm just tapping this very gently across the lid, sort of like a cut crease. Okay, and then with a little bit left over, I'm just going to fill in the inner corner with what's ever left on my brush. And then I'm going to take a smaller, more detailed brush, just a flat brush. I'm going to go back into that transition color again, that Cute Alert. And I'm just going to pack that in underneath my lash line, just to bring that deepness back in. Because remember, you've been working all day and your makeup is trying to quit because, you know, she's clocking out for the rest of the day. But you still want to have a little fun. So that's how you can zhuzh that up a little bit more. And then just to keep everything sort of symmetrical, I'm going to go in with my mascara and just put a little bit of mascara to those lower lashes. And then I'm also going to put just a little bit more on the top lash, just to make sure everything is welded together very nicely. You also might want to take your leftover powder and just lightly dust all over your face, just to make sure that your foundation stays put. And then one more thing you might want to do is take your highlight color, just bring a little bit with you so that you can plus up your highlight for the evening. And I just like to run it right across in sort of like a C shape, just to give it a little bit more pizzazz. And if you really are daring, you might want to take a little tiny bit and just put it right on that brow line. Pop that a little bit. Remember, it's going to be hidden behind your glasses, so you really want your eyeshadow and your highlight to stand out, because that's going to sit right there on your face, so people will be able to see your highlight. I'm going to put that back on, and as you can see, it really does help pop the eyes. And one last thing, we're going to put some lipstick on, and for this I'm going to use the NARS in Livy. And if you want to take a little bit more of that highlight and just run it across your Cupid's bow. I don't like to highlight it too much, just a little something to bring attention to the lipstick. And again, you can use a warm berry with this, which will blend in perfectly with the eyeshadow. Or you can switch it up and have it be neutral, whatever you like. But that's it. Really quick and easy way to plus up your look while you're wearing your glasses. Hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up anyway, and let me know in the comment section how you plus up your look with your glasses on. Again, this is Shannon B for Brown Girl Bella, bringing you lips, lashes, and luxury. Don't forget to like us, comment, and subscribe in the button below, and don't forget to tap that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Until next time, deuces.